This is my dog Willie again.
Are you hungry, honey?
He's just a little.
Tell Mom to fix it while you're grabbing.
Okay. Hey, Willie.
Your mother's getting dressed or something.
I know. This is Willie, the cutest dog in the world. He's a little Chihuahua. Mexican Chihuahua, exactly. And it's Christmas. And Willie is very excited. We got him a little sweater, but he refuses to wear it. Now I'm videotaping him.
What are these gifts up here, Morgan?
What gifts?
Oh, they're pillows.
Scented pillows. The scented pillows. That was my dog Willie. Bye.